Come this way. I. We can't even go through the other side. Where is the Mariana at? Bro, there are some uncles. They're like walking around. They're selling it. There are many uncles. They're already selling it. Police Bazaar.
No Bangsur? Yeah, no Bangsur?
I think this place is like they're friends with everyone. That's probably the reason why nothing happened to this place.
First,
Go get some,
this market.
get fitted, then.
Export.
Oh, you trying to buy? I never came here to buy anything, by the way. First time, yeah. Let's go here. Fixed price. Let's go here. I think. Hello, sir.
সাদা টি-শার্ট হবে সাদা পিন সাদা না হোক একটু ডিজাইন হোক
Let's hope we find a white t-shirt for my bro.
থ্যাংক ইউ কাম brother.
You didn't like that one? Wait. Oh. You know every shopping mall you go to, there like stairway when you go up. That one works. When you come down, it doesn't work. They're just trying to like save money.
রন ভাই হ্যাঁ কিছু দেখেন একটা রন ভাই স্কুল পার্টি
বস টপ শোল্ডার কি পরা
আমি দেখি টপ শোল্ডার একটা
জোরসে বস ফেব্রিক একটু ধরে দেন ব্যাগটা রাখতে পারবেন হচ্ছে না অনেকগুলো কার্ড How much do you guys think it would cost this in America? Let me know in the chat. It has a scar. It has a scar. You should get a different one. ছোট লাগলে ছোট দাও
ছোট এল এম দেখি এটা কি এল
ও এটা প্যাটার্নটা বড় আর কি $20 $25 but here
you know Ivan bhai
yeah
Barupul
I know him
he called me I think he also go to Coxbazar with us
I know
by car and bike.
Who's you guys are also hiring car?
No Masum bhai
He has
he's
car
our driver no sorry don't mind he's our partner he drive car
so he's gonna drive his car
yes
to take you over there
yes
then why is it taking 3,000
there are many
expenses
Many
drinks
thing,
and
many
stuff
thing,
okay
many
okay
thing,
okay
many
I understand oh okay then it's fine I also want to go
thing. But you have no money right
kind of
we all have problem in money now
3,000 is a lot 2,000 I go but I feel like
possible not because some people in some problem
I
for
know.
this reason we support them understood অন্য
Okay, okay, yeah. Some of them don't even have money.
প্রবলেম আছে দাদা।
এটা কারোর জন্য নেবেন না আপনার জন্য?
আমার জন্য ভাইয়া।
আপনার জন্য
হুম হুম বড় হবে বেশি?
বড় হয়ে যাবে। আপনি আদার্স কেউ দেখেন, এগুলো প্যাটার্নটা যেগুলো ইউরোপিয়ান সিস্টেম, আপনি এগুলো দিয়ে দেখতে পারেন, এগুলো তো বেটার এই ফ্যাব্রিকটা দেখতে পারেন, এটা স্পান্ডেক্স ফ্যাব্রিক, এগুলো বেস্ট। এই কোয়ালিটি যদি চান এটা দেখতে পারেন। আর এগুলো সিম্পল
There's so many white t-shirts, but he's still choosing. Right there.
ট্রায়াল দিয়ে দেখেন এটা।
প্রাইস কেমন ভাইয়া? হ্যাঁ
মিরর আছে আপনি পরে দেখতে পারেন।
Yeah, he's gonna give it a trial. Yeah, he doesn't want to be filmed. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, I think I need to get more t-shirt. Before going to Thailand, I'm gonna buy more t-shirt
খুলে বলো আরিফ,
and some
বোনা বলো।
shorts.
এটা যদি জিন্স অথবা গার্মেন্টিং করলে ভালো লাগবে আর কি। এটা ফর্মাল প্যান্টের সাথে একটু টি শার্ট কম যায়।
এগুলো কত ভাইয়া?
আর লাগবে
না না
500 দিতে হবে
ফিক্স ভাইয়া?
অলমোস্ট। এখন এগুলো তো এত বেশি বলবে না, এগুলো 600-700 টাকা বুঝতে পারি না আর কি। এগুলো টি শার্ট বেশি দাম চাই না। এই জিনিসটা কোয়ালিটি ফুল অনেক, জিএসএমটা ভালো এবং ফ্রেশ হোয়াইট। নতুন আসছে আমার এগুলো সাস্টেন আছে।
350 রাখা যায় না ভাইয়া? হ্যাঁ
এটা একটু কোয়ালিটি ফুল টি শার্ট। এটা আমাকে 450 দিতে হবে।
না 350 হয়ে যাবে।
এটা যেমন নেভি কালারটা দেখেন, এটা কোম্পানি আছে।
না আমি সাদাতে না, সাদা লাগবে সাদা।
এটা এখানে আর আর ভিজুয়াল কিছু আছে যে এগুলো থেকে দিতে হবে, মানে এগুলো ভাগ পাবে না। এগুলো ভালোটাই দিছে আপনাকে।
এখান থেকে একটু
এই কোয়ালিটির জন্য একটু
It looked good on you, actually. It looked good on you.
আমি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড না।
এগুলো দেখতে পারেন, একটু কম হয়ে গেছে। এই কালারটা সুন্দর, স্প্যান্ডেক্স করতে। ওটা একটু করে দেখেন, ওটা 350 রাখা যাবে।
হুম
ওটা 350 রাখা যাবে। করে দেখেন। এটা 350 রেঞ্জের,
হুম
350 রেঞ্জের
এই যে সেম সাইজ ভাইয়া?
অলমোস্ট একটু 19-20 হতে পারে। তারপরে
We're in Bangladesh buying shirts. What a shocker. What up, Mark? Yeah, we're buying t-shirt for him, actually.
এটা একদম পারফেক্ট আসবে, আপনি দেখতে পারেন। এটা নাইস, এটা রাবার ব্লক দেওয়া আছে। এটা একটু ধরে দেখেন,
হুম
এটা সুন্দর।
এটা রাখেন। ব্ল্যাক গেঞ্জি হবে।
গোল গলা না কালার।
What up,
ব্ল্যাকের উপরে
Jackie?
কার সাইজ লোগোটা কার সাইজ।
Oh, good. It looks good on you, bro.
আপনার সাইজ
It looks good on you.
এটা কত রাখবেন? এটা হ্যাঁ এটা 300 রাখেন ভাইয়া। 300 वाला पैकेट করে দাও ভাইয়া 300 লোগোটা ব্ল্যাক ফেলে সমস্যা তাহলে এখানে একটা ব্যাগ
What else can you buy in Bangladesh? Like only the garment sector is the one that's cheap.
পারলে ভালো হবে আমার জন্য আমি এখন তাড়াহুড়ায় আছি তো আমি আরো একটা দুটো
I bought 2 t-shirt with $3. 2 t-shirt. Can you guys imagine?
আরেকটা ব্ল্যাক দিব সুপার হ্যাঁ ড্রপ শোল্ডার স্টাইল ব্ল্যাক
I'm pretty sure he's happy with what he bought. I bought this pant, the one I'm wearing right now. Papa. Thanks for replying. Wow, it's very cheap in Bangladesh. I know, right?
তোমার ইয়া অন হ্যাঁ একটু অন করে দাও না
This,
ব্ল্যাক আসলে আপনার এখন একটা মার্কেট
বুঝছো
oh shit, I was using one SIM card this whole time.
লোগোটা ব্ল্যাক ফেলে সমস্যা তাহলে
দেখো আপনার ব্ল্যাক এবং কি আছে
ঠিক আছে বুঝছো ভাইয়া
Minute. Japanese expert. What is happening? I'm trying to did it work? Huh? It's working? Okay.
ভাইয়া সেন্ড মানি
Bro, I don't know. I had no idea that I was using one SIM card this whole time.
Hello?
Also, Mark, I received the money from Twitch today. I'm so happy, bro. They finally gave me all my money. Okay, we are done buying t-shirt. We're gonna be on our way. You got the Twitch money? Yeah. Yeah, Twitch paid me today. Let's go. Finally. Hello. Finally, I got my Twitch money. My brother, you're happy with your t-shirt?
yes
You like that one?
you all kind of yeah
Good quality is here.
quality bad quality
I had no idea. I bought, it's not good, the one I bought.
ফার্স্ট যে টি-শার্টটা দেখছো ওটা কিন্তু ভালো ছিল লাল যেটা একটু এটার চেয়েও ভালো কোয়ালিটি ছিল কিন্তু আমার কাছে ডিজাইনটা ভালো লাগে নাই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড
What kind of help do you need? I got you.
এক্সপোর্ট শার্ট জিন্স
I should.
yes
I will come here from now on. I don't buy anything from here. I never came here before. I just saw this place today. I came here to eat once. There are a restaurant up ahead, right? Upstairs. Yeah. How to fix this network issue? Network issue is if you're having network problem, either the SIM company does not have enough good coverage around your area first, and your phone also has to be good. If your phone does not have good IC or something, you won't be able to get good internet. So I'm not really sure which one is your issue. Thank you, bro. My stream is good because do you see my friend On Edge Mark? He's on Twitch typing. It's all the magic comes from him. It's all him. My brother. He's the one who helped me like with everything. Also, Jackie, I also spoke to Tomo bro. I gave him a introduction what to do or not. You should use the server. You should use the server.
اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. اللهم رب هذه الدعوة التامة.
He must be kind and helpful person. Of course.
محمدا الوسيلة والفضيلة.
He is. He's amazing.
وبعثت مقاما محمودا الذي وعدته وارزقنا شفاعته يوم القيامة.
Fried peanuts. But how did he go that way? We are happy. Yes, now that he's a streamer a bit. I'm up a bit earlier. You okay? Fuck, my phone is like literally visible. If somebody took it, I wouldn't even know. He's fixing the fan, repairing the fan, everything. Everything here, as you can see, they're all being fixed by these guys. Crazy, bro. The traffic is still like this.
There are no traffic police.
Oh, tea. Let's drink tea. Yeah.
Yeah, these are Chanda.
Assalamu alaikum. He's like, how are you? We're gonna get some tea, Chad. Hello, sir.
How are you?
Oh, Malai tea.
Yeah, our Desi Malai.
Oh shit. That's milk. Huh? I'm sorry.
Can I sit?
Yeah, you can sit, bro. Can you put all this in your bag?
Very tough, but I try. Oh,
Yeah, give it a try. I'm just holding everything.
brother. My bag, your bag. Your bag, my bag. But if my bag, very bad situation. Very bad.
Okay, give just one. Like, keep one only. Oh, here's our tea.
সেখানে আগে থাক চাটা খাইনি হ্যাঁ
Here. Yeah.
ও ভেরি ব্যাড সিচুয়েশন আছে
Okay, just give me. Okay.
চা খাইনো
Yeah. I spoke to Tomo, bro. Tomo. I told him everything, what to do. Ask him. Talk to Tomo, bro, please. He will help you. Huh? What? They didn't even say, hey, can I be in your video? They didn't even ask for my permission. I don't give free promotion. It's okay, but I guess it's okay.
How much this pen? How much this pen?
300.
100 more. You got 2 pen.
Yeah, it's 300. I got another one with 500.
No. You got 100 more. Then you got 2 pen.
Yeah.
Why you 3/4 pen?
3/4 is good. For me, it's good. I walk a lot, you know. I also bought a longer pen.
আর 100 টাকা বাড়ালেই তো বুঝবেন না এটা।
I bought one with 500. Long pen, yeah. But I bought short one because it's like the air gets in there, like it's visible and easy. Why is everybody staring at me? There's like gang of people like.
Like you.
You're not drinking it? Why?
I don't like.
It's too sweet. Just tell him to give you some
No.
liquid in it. He's calling you. He's calling you.
Okay.
Yeah, someone. Say from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. He's asking me where I'm from. And I told him to say Sri Lanka. Don't fight. Don't fight. He's asking you like I'm foreigner and you're like my guy. He's asking if I'm Muslim or not. What? Oh wow, really? Tell him you support Israel. Tell him I support Israel. I support Israel. Israel.
Might khai.
Now tell him I support Israel.
What is Israel?
Israel. Israel. No, if I tell people that I support Israel, I'm gonna get beaten up on the street. That's what he just said. I'm not. To be honest, he's not lying. It's actually true. Yeah, but yeah, we don't. I cannot film a fight. If people fight with, if people are fighting with one another. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
টেকনিক্যালি ভালো একটা রাস্তা দিয়ে যান। First of all, you think I also foreigner. You foreigner? No.
Guys,
I'm Bangladeshi.
when I was drinking tea, one of the guy was like looking at us and he was like, hey, he's calling him. And I'm like, hey, he's calling you. And then they spoke. The guy was asking him, where is he from? Because I'm speaking English with camera, you know. And
ব্যস্ত বলতে রাস্তায় ছিলাম তো কল করতে পারি না এখন বলে আমি গর্ব লাগতেছি গাড়িতে উঠছি সিএনজিতে আচ্ছা আমি আর সাইমন আছি আসতেছি ভয় নেই
so the guy was asking him like which country is he from, and he's saying Sri Lanka. Bhai amra di jao bhai. are so. Bro is going to beat up. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna get beaten up because Bangladeshian do not like Jewish people. Ever since we were little, we know everything about what is happening in Palestine. So free Palestine. Now you even have your friends lying for you. Crazy, right? It's funny. It's funny. It's kind of funny. Yeah, I paid my agency today, and hopefully we're gonna be in Vietnam soon, guys.
Hello, Piyush. Why are you calling me? I am in New Market with Simon. For this reason, I want to talk in English only. Simon is the live stream. You want to see them? Please call video. Video call, brother.
He also only want to speak English.
Brother. See? My brother, Simon. I and my brother go to Vietnam soon. Please pray for us. Oh, our big brother.
Oh, there's another one.
Hi, business magnet.
Oh my God, there's.
Oh, why, man? He looks like he class. He's in class. Piyush.
Somebody is getting free class from Piyush.
Brother, he's in class. You know? Brother?
Yo, what's up, man?
Hi, Philippines.
Guys, he's one of the SEO expert. I have job for you, Mr. Piyush. I'm coming to your office. We're gonna talk.
It's a good news. It is a good news, brother.
Yeah, I have a friend from Denmark. He wants you to, you know, I will tell you. I will tell you when I come to your place.
We know English little.
We don't know what you're saying. We can barely hear you.
Okay, brother. Call audio.
Hello, brother.
Call audio.
Thank you so much for protecting the street. Look, he's a student. He's a student.
Audio.
Oh shit, chill. Do as they say. Do as they say. They're trying to protect the street.
ইউনাইটেড আসছিলাম এখানে ওর সাথে একটু দেখা করার জন্য ও এক্সট্রিম করতেছে আমিও ভালো
What color are you going to make the police uniform now?
বলো তোমার কথা বলো
Police are getting new uniform. I'm not sure what color.
হ্যাঁ কে সুচি ও মেসেজ দিছে
The students are trying their hard to maintain the street,
আচ্ছা তুমি কি বলছো কে
but the police color is not been decided just yet. Soon.
আচ্ছা তো তুমি বলো আপনি তো নেক্সট এর আগে আপনার নামে কার্ড ছাপালাম আইডি কার্ড ইয়া করলাম previous mistake maybe okay then if you have a plan to hire a person woman and then you call her.
Police are still wearing the same color of
I think this time
uniform they were
we don't,
wearing before.
Do this again
For now, but police are being changed.
Okay,
Their
okay,
color,
then talk.
their logos are gonna be changing.